How you doing, everybody? It's me, Max Farrell from DexFxMarkets.com. I want to show you what it looks like to trade an entire segment. And I'm going to paper trade this. I'm going to back test trade and show you what would have gotten filled. Now, trust me, I'm going to be very transparent. What I feel will get filled, what I feel would have been a win or a loss. And don't worry, you're going to be very surprised at the result here. Okay, so we're going to just start off with the market read. Now, during the 9 o'clock hour Eastern to right now 12 o'clock area, we would have been able to trade 3 trades in the system. 3 trades in the system, okay, per hour. For each one of the pairs, there's a possibility of those 3 trades happening for the 1 hour, because 9 to 12, right? So what we're doing is it'll be the 9 o'clock for 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Okay, so we have 3 opportunities there for the 1 hour, but we only got 1 opportunity for the 2 hour, right? From 9 to 11, because the 11 to 1, I'm not going to trade in this speculative, right? Because it's not 1 o'clock yet. I wouldn't be able to tell you if it would win or lose. So I'm only going to trade, like if I was just going to go in and trade from 9 to 12, if I was just going to sit in a chair from 9 to 12, what would it look like today? So we're going to hit the AUD USD. Now, transparency, to be what it may, this first trade, this one right here, is a loss. Why? Because there's a whole bunch of news happening. But that's okay, because it still trades during the news. And it doesn't matter, because even if it does a loss, this is 1 to 0, right? Or 0 to 1 right now, okay? But in the next hour, right here, we easily get picked up. 66.26, we would have been up here at 66.31, which has been about 5 pips. As long as within about 5 pips, we have that trade being able to be taken, okay? So this is a win. So now we're 1 to 1, okay? This is only on the pair for the AUD USD. If we take the AUD JPY, there was no trade at the 9 o'clock hour, but at the 11 o'clock hour, there was a trade easily won, because we came up here 74.33, 77.27 within 5 pips, picked up and won. All right, so now we're 2 to 1 in that time. Euro, Great Britain, pound. Now, on this particular one, we would have came back up to this zone if we were to trade it dynamically. This zone right there. What we're looking for, we're 83.86, 83.94. That's about 8 pips. This one would have gotten picked up right here at this level at 83.90, 83.89, because it would have only been 5 pips difference, right? So once it gets about 5 pips, it's going to be able to pick up, especially at the $25 level, and clearly won. So now we're 4 to 1. Okay, Euro JPY. 9 o'clock hour, easy win. 5 to 1, easy win. 6 to 1, Euro USD. Came back down here. Let's see what this 0803. So that's about 4 pips. 0879. Yeah, 4 pips. Easy win. So this is 6 to 1, 7 to 1. Let's see, Great Britain pound JPY. Now let's see, 14 to 12. Oh no, we wouldn't have gotten picked up on this one, so we don't count this one. And if we did get picked up, we would have been back here. So this is 6 to 2. There's no trade there, no trade there. Still 6 to 2, USD CAD. Definitely got picked up on this one. So that's 7 to 2, USD CHF. 8 to 2, 9 to 2. Because we would have been in a buy position, we would have came back down to structure on the bottom side, which would have been here. Now we would have gotten picked up once the pair hit here. Okay, because we could have came back up even up to here, because we had all this structure here and here. And would we have won? Let's see. US. Okay, so it's 10 to 2. 10 to 2 on the 1 hours. So it's 10 to 2 on the 1 hours. And we only had one opportunity on here. I think it's the 9 o'clock. There's 11 to 2. We would have came back up to structure. 12 to 2. Your Great Britain pound. 4. Oh, we wouldn't have gotten into that trade because that's the 11 o'clock. There was no 9. Here's another 9. Now, we probably wouldn't have gotten into this trade because there was no structure to the left or right. Okay, we could have came up to here. Would it have filled 49 to 38? I don't think it would have filled. All right, so we're still, what is it, 11 to 2. Let's look here. 09, yes, we would have gotten down to this structure. 11, where did it? And right there. Boom, went. Yeah, so 12 to 2. Great Britain pound JPY. There's 7, there's no 9. We're still sitting at 12 to 2. There's the 9, easy win at the red. Yep, 13 to 2. USD CAD. Yep, easy enough, 14 to 2. USD CHF. No 9 o'clock. USD JPY. 9 o'clock there. Back up to support. Boom, done. 15 to 2. So the average trade is about $25 per win. Okay, if we pull out our handy dandy calculator, and we got 15 trades, we got 15 wins and 2 losses, right? So 15 times 25, 37 minus 150 for the 2 losses. About $225 per contract. If you did one contract at a time, you would have made $225 for that 3-hour period. And you would have lost 2 trades. But those losses are validated. They're validated within the process. Now, would you have taken every single trade? And the answer is no. I mean, you could have suffered through those 3 hours and went through every single one and devaluated some. You may have taken a loss over what a win would have been. So the only way to actually physically justify coming in and doing it is learning how to trade it and knowing you. Okay, I know that I only wanted to come in and trade just a certain amount. So I came in and I traded just one trade for this morning and I made my $50. Now that's only $25 per each one. And if I would have traded, and I missed them because I had business calls and other things, but I'm going to be heavily trading again tomorrow. Or I should be say trading again tomorrow. And so I could have a $200 day because I'm in. Look at my win-loss ratio though. It's very high. It's I have a 11 wins and this is my live one. If I go over my demo, it's even higher because I know that I'm going after a lot of trades, but I'm even being more selective on my demo trades. There is a large high rate of success because it works. And if you use just a little bit of fundamental idealisms of just looking left and finding that level and feeling strong about that level, and when you have enough information, when there are other attributes that are on the page that are in front of you that are very strong. This red line is a very strong process. This red line, very, very strong because it has so many values of that level. It has to make sense to you. So when the arrow comes out, you're using it as a pivotal point. Now, would I have gotten into this trade? Yes. Would I have gotten into this one? I probably don't. As me as a trader personally, I don't think I like going against the grain of a trend. I think I really do like just staying with my possibilities, right? So that's what I'm going to sit with. For you, what is it for you? Put in the comments what your type of trading is and have a look, okay? And see what you can find. If you're not a part of the system yet, you should be. You should be right on the page and into Dex Atomic. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for me, please, and hit that notifications button so you can see me trading more. I'm going to be trading again here in about 20, 30 minutes at the 1 o'clock hour for the 3 o'clock expiry for the 2-hour trades. and I'll probably end up making just as much money if I sat down all day and trade it. So I'll see you next time. I'm Max. This is Dex. Look forward to seeing you inside. And as always, trade well.